So in May 2025, I decided to try and cycle the Cathedral to Coast cycle route in Kent. Together with my wife and my sister, we cycled from Canterbury down to Dover and back again, covering around 80 kilometres in total. Here's how we got on. Here we come. 7 o'clock in the morning.
Well, technically 7:15. No, 7:20.
And away we go. Alright, so we are off to Kent this weekend. So we're going to try and cycle from Canterbury down to Dover. The journey down is about 40 kilometres, and then we're going to stay in Dover tonight and then cycle back to Canterbury, so another 40 kilometres. So the journey should be about 80 kilometres in total. Never really done a long distance cycle journey like this before. So yeah, a bit of an adventure, but hopefully we'll be alright. Yeah, we're just on the M25 now, just on the way down to Canterbury. So let's go! Yeah, just clip it in.
Mm-hmm. Once you kind of get the momentum, actually having the stuff on the back doesn't mean. Obviously, we could go up hills. Jonny might be a bit slow.
Oh right, okay. Oh, that's a shame. As the Cathedral to Coast Trail is a circular route, it can essentially be done in either direction. We, however, had decided to do it counterclockwise, as this meant that we would have a slightly shorter second day in case we were tired. Making good progress though, we soon made it to the small village of Paddlesworth, where we decided to stop for a little bite to eat at a nearby pub. Cheers to
Yes.
lunchtime break.
Yeah.
Been
Well
very
done so
well.
far.
One's doing fab.
Yep.
No accidents.
No accidents yet. We reached the sea, baby! Woo. There we go. Straight through the arches.
Made it to Dover.
And there's the White Cliffs. Well done, team.
Well done, team.
Yay! We did a good job.
Dip my fingers in the water just to prove it. That night we were staying at the Longfield Guest House, not far from town. So after dumping our stuff, we headed out for dinner before getting an early night to rest our legs. We made it! Right, well, good morning.
Morning.
Today is day 2 of our little adventure. Yesterday we cycled from Canterbury all the way down to Dover. It was about 40 kilometres in total, something around that.
Super nice weather.
Super nice weather. And yeah, last night we stayed here in the Longfield Guest House in Dover, which is a pretty nice place. Yeah. So yeah, today it's back off to Canterbury, completing the loop, probably another 40 kilometres or so, maybe a little bit less. I think we did the longer.
Maybe a little bit less, the longer route. We did it yesterday.
So yeah, feeling a little bit sore from yesterday,
but we've got
I
this.
think we can do this. Come on. Give it a pump. Up the hill we go. Out of Dover. We've given up with this hill already. It's so steep. Once again, making really good progress, and with the weather turning a little bit windy, we decided to try and press on all the way to Canterbury that morning and try and get there for around lunchtime. We did it! Back in the car!
My legs and my butt are so dead.
Yeah, me too. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this episode. If you did, please do let me know by subscribing below. It really helps the channel. Otherwise, hope to see you again soon.